severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin, eastern Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin until 3:15 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Amory, or 30 miles southwest of Rice Lake, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Amory, Clear Lake, Joel, Range, Clayton, Turtle Lake, Almana, Comstock, McKinley, Cumberland Airport, Cumberland and Baronet. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Barron and Polk.